Let's check out this GOOLOO battery jump starter that can start your car, truck, or SUV if you have a dead battery, but has the added feature of being a powerful emergency power supply that can recharge multiple devices many times in the event of a power failure. Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, gone are the days if you had a dead battery in your car, truck, or SUV that you hooked up your jumper cables and stood in front of your vehicle hoping a good Samaritan would come by and give you a jump, or worse than that, you spend a couple hours waiting on the auto club. But now, with modern technology like we find in this GOOLOO battery jump starter, we no longer have to wait on the auto club. We can hook up this to our battery and we'll be on our way. Now, full disclosure here, the folks at GOOLOO sent me this for my honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let me start by showing you what's in the box. It comes with a rugged hard shell case that keeps the cables organized and the jump starter protected, whether it's riding in your glove box or sliding around in your trunk. And of course, you'll find the jump starter itself that can easily be charged using one of the two included USB cables. And finally, you get a pair of heavy-duty jumper cables. These are fully insulated from end to end, so there's no risk of them accidentally touching and sparking. There are two features I think that are worth calling out. First, it has a built-in flashlight, perfect for emergencies. It includes a flashing mode that's great if you're stuck alongside the road, and it even has an SOS signal built in just in case you need to attract attention. But my personal favorite feature, though, is that it doubles as a backup power supply. You can use this to charge your phone, tablet, or even your laptop in an emergency. And because the internal battery is much larger than your typical phone battery, it's capable of recharging your phone multiple times on a single charge. All right, if you need to jumpstart your car, truck, SUV, ATV, or even a snow machine, as long as it has a 12-volt battery, here's what you do. First, plug the jumper cables into the jump starter. Don't worry about getting it wrong. The connector only fits one way, so you can't mess it up. Next, take the red clamp and hook it to the positive side of your battery. Then take the black clamp and connect it to the negative side. Now you're all set. Go ahead and start your vehicle like you normally do. Once your vehicle is up and running, just leave it running, disconnect the cables, and you're good to go. Now, I have reviewed similar products to this one in the past, but this one is the one I'll be keeping in my vehicle from now on. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.